Hi all, this is Himaja and I'm here in Arogya Physiotherapy. So this place was suggested by my friend Madhuri when she saw that I was actually suffering from comments from my friends, neighbors and all that I still look pregnant even after 1 year of delivery. So I was suggested by her to visit Arogya Physiotherapy here and meet Pooja ma'am. So I was diagnosed by DR, Diastasis Recti, and that is the reason because of which I was still looking pregnant. And what is DR and how it should be treated was guided by Pooja ma'am. And after going to gym, doing resistance training, cardio, still my tummy was not getting lesser. So I came here. I thought I should give a chance and see how it works. So initially when I came here, my gap was 12 and 10. Now it is 1 and 2 after 20 sessions, and this miracle is what all I can say. I'm very thankful to Pooja ma'am and my PT Anamika and Simran. They really treated me so well. They are really very sweet and they understood everything, and here I am. I still have little tummy, but that will go because it's all because of fat. But my DR is almost closed, and I don't have any other back pain issue or any other issues which can happen because of DR. I feel more energetic now. So I request all the new moms, if you face any DR issues, please your go-to place will be Arogya Physiotherapy. Trust me. Thank you.